Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M8 versus the Nissan GT-R. We'll explore their distinct philosophies, from luxury grand touring to track-focused performance, helping you decide which high-performance machine best suits your driving style. We'll delve into their powerful engines, examine their interior comforts, and discuss their overall value proposition. When it comes to sheer power, the BMW M8 features a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 engine, producing an impressive 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. This allows the M8 to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.8 seconds. The Nissan GT-R, with its 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6, delivers 565 horsepower and 467 pound-feet of torque, hitting 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. Inside, the BMW M8 provides a truly luxurious experience, featuring high-quality merino leather, heated and ventilated seats, and a sophisticated 10.25-inch multimedia touchscreen. It emphasizes comfort and advanced technology. In contrast, the Nissan GT-R presents a more driver-centric, sporty cabin with supportive seats, an 8-inch touchscreen, and a Bose premium sound system. While both offer modern amenities, the M8 leans into opulence, and the GT-R prioritizes a raw, engaging feel. Considering their starting prices, the BMW M8 typically begins around $140,000, offering a blend of high luxury and formidable performance. The Nissan GT-R, often starting closer to $121,000, provides incredible supercar-level performance at a more accessible price point. Each car offers distinct value, catering to different priorities. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, please see the link in the description below. Your support helps us create more content like this.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.